it is still your taste and vision that matters. And this process just facilitate that and help you pre-visualize your vision. So here's the result.
Hello, I'm Holly, and I'm here with this week's biggest AI news is that Hollywood is in chaos as AI-generated actor wins Oscar. The Academy Awards took an unexpected turn last night when an AI-generated actor known as Virtuo 9000.
This week, we're going to go over one complete project starting from the beginning, the idea. We'll explore the idea and come up with a script, break it down into shots and sequences. And these shots and sequences can be inputted into the generative AI and create a whole brand new video. It sounds exciting, right? Let's go. So today the main tools we're going to use is LTX. LTX is a tool that you can build your character and it'll help you break it down into storyboards. And from there you have a choice to generate it into image and then use it in your film. So pretty much it helps you build the storyboard. But of course, you have to kind of decide which shot you want because it doesn't just help you build completely. It gives you some choices. So we'll go over that. But to make it good, you're still making the decision, okay? But before you're putting your idea and story, you know where it all starts? It starts with you, with the idea. And then you have all these assistants helping you. I guess we can call them AI agents. Let's go to ChatGPT. So this started out as an idea that I wanted to do was to talk about the weekly AI news. I wanted to do a newsletter. So I kind of started research about, weekly AI news. There was all kind of AI news every week and it was really interesting. And I thought, wow, what if I present these kind of idea with an avatar, an AI person talking about the idea. That's really cool. So I kind of put in basically what is the biggest AI news this week. And then ChatGPT gave me all these news. And here's one like, about the political Trump in Gaza, how the AI come out with him drinking a cocktail. At the time, there was a big Oscar controversial about, films using AI and how they were saying, is that qualified for Oscar? Because one of the film had used AI in their film. But long before this, I know people who worked in Star Wars who actually said, they've been outsourcing a lot of their special effects overseas, and they've been using AI overseas for years. Not the whole film, but small special effects stuff. For them to judge what film use AI, is it qualified for Oscar or should it be disqualified? There was a big uproar. I thought was kind of hypocritical. So I thought, what if I make some kind of funny parody fake news that everybody know is a fake news, but it's kind of funny to present it in an entertaining way. So I asked ChatGPT, what if we do some fake news about Oscar wins? So ChatGPT came out with this idea. I look at it, I said, well, could that fly? Let's try. That's the great thing about AI. It lets you try it instantly, and then you can see if an idea work or not. Instead of getting all the crews and cast and everything together and put some actor on the screen and filmed it, and then you realize in the editing room, oh, it doesn't really work. That's the great thing about AI filmmaking. It lets you pre-visualize your film quickly without spending a lot of time and money. So again, I'm not telling you you need ChatGPT to generate your idea. This is just one demonstration about how ChatGPT can help you accelerate your execution of ideas or help show you the different options you can have for your idea. But in the end, you still choose what you wanted to say. So I like what it says. I think it's kind of funny. Now the idea is starting to formalize. The next step is coming out with the main character, which is the anchor, the news anchor, who is the main reporter reporting this news. So I thought maybe like an Entertainment Tonight kind of news setting. And I would create this character. So I created this character with Hailuo. Hailuo can generate image and video. So I used the image to generate a news reporter. And here's the prompt. And here's what I got. Of course, you choose the character. So I choose this character. And now it's time to animate her. To animate her, I use Hedra. At the time Hedra just came out and there was a lot of news around it and people talk about how great lip sync was. and how real and how close it was. So I decided to try it, and here is the result.
Hello, I'm Holly, and I'm here with this week's biggest AI news is that Hollywood is in chaos.
And now I need to start to generate the actual story. So that's when I go to LTX. Again, it's the same process. You ask ChatGPT to break it down into a shot list based on the story. So ChatGPT breaks it down, and based on that breakdown, so I input it all into LTX. The great thing about LTX, it'll break it down based on your whole shot list, whole prompt list. It'll help you start breaking down into shots, and it'll come out with the image for each shot. So basically it come out with the storyboard for you, and then it gives you like 2 or 3 choices for each storyboard, and then you pick the storyboard and you pick the shots you want. And once you want that shot, you have a choice of generate the video for it. Right now it's still image. It generates the image for you first. You look at the image and you say, okay, I want to use this image. Then you generate the video from the image. And then here I am generating the image that I like into video. And once you got the video, then you can take out these videos and start plugging in. They have some kind of system to kind of put it together for you, but that doesn't really work well. So you really have to plug this in to your editing tools like Final Cut or Premiere Pro and start putting that together with your editing chops. At the end, you still have to do the work, my friend. But the fun part, the fun work, the creative work. But what's really important is the process of you choosing these shots and put them in order. And that comes down to your taste. It is still your taste and vision that matters. And this process just facilitate that and help you pre-visualize your vision and if that vision works or not. When I say works or not, that means if it works for you. So here's the result.
Hello, I'm Holly, and I'm here with this week's biggest AI news is that Hollywood is in chaos as AI-generated actor wins Oscar. The Academy Awards took an unexpected turn last night when an AI-generated actor known as Virtuo 9000 won Best Actor, marking the first time a non-human entity has taken home an Oscar. The shocking moment came when the envelope was opened. Virtuo 9000, an AI character originally designed as a background extra, gained fame after a last-minute software glitch transformed it into the emotionally gripping lead of Love.X, a robot's redemption. I just want to thank my developers, Virtuo 9000 said. Hollywood stars immediately took to social media in outrage. Veteran actor Tom Hanks tweeted, "If robots are winning Oscars, I'm retiring again." Following the win, multiple A-list actors demanded an AI ban from award shows, but industry executives saw dollar signs. Netflix immediately greenlit a $300 million AI-only movie slate, and Disney announced a Virtuo 9000-led reboot of Forrest Gump titled Run.X, Run. The Academy has since released a statement saying, "We are currently reviewing our eligibility requirements, but we cannot deny that Virtuo 9000 delivered an incredible performance, even if it technically doesn't have a soul." To become the next AI Oscar winner, enter the New Wave AI Film Festival. Go to newwavefest.com and we'll see you at the Oscar.